But once you have the SmartLink C, the first step is to activate the device. Step 1. On your PC, go to http://smartlink.x431.com and click the Register Now button. Step 2. Choose Common User and register by filling out your user information. Step 3. Log in with the newly created account. Select Management on the left, and then click on the right to activate the device. Step 4. Enter the serial number and activation code found on the envelope. Then click Activate. Once the device is activated, you are ready to start requesting remote car repair assistance. Posting a request is incredibly simple. First, click My Post on the left. And on this page, you can select a specific expert to schedule a service or simply post a request. Or you can click Create Appointment in the top right corner. Choose Vehicle Details, complete your contact information, and specify the issue to be solved. Then click Post. Alternatively, if you've already contacted an expert in advance, there is an even simpler way to submit a request. First, plug the SmartLink C into the OBD port, then connect to the network. Wait for the device to power on automatically. Second, enter the SmartLink diagnose, and then the SmartLink C will generate a 6-digit key. At last, share this key with the expert you've contacted, and wait for the expert to connect remotely. Those are all the methods to use our SmartLink. Quite simple, right? Currently, over 100,000 repair shops and technicians worldwide have turned to the LAUNCH SmartLink service platform for assistance, solving over 2 million car repair challenges. No more running around to find experts. Remote support makes it easy to solve issues online. If you have car repair needs, especially if you often face tough repair problems, why not give this cutting-edge technology a try? The LAUNCH SmartLink service platform makes car repair simpler and more efficient. Let's open a new chapter in smart car repair together. SmartLink, diagnosing from 1,000 miles away.